Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make some pancakes. First we're going to peel a banana and then you'll see what.
Now we're going to smash the banana. Now smash the banana and smash it nicely.
Now we're going to crack 2 eggs. I'll do the first one. Now the second one.
I don't know how to crack eggs like him.
Now we're going to whisk it. Now we're going to add some oats or porridge, whatever it's called. Now we're going to add some water in the oats, but like a professional. Now we're going to add the oats with water in the microwave and add it for 30 seconds. 30 to 0 seconds.
Yeah.
I'm going to add a splash of vanilla essence. Only 1 splash.
Bless you, baby.
Okay.
Now we're going to add this pink salt.
And I'll add a little. Now we're going to add some baking powder. And my sister will do it this time.
Is this enough?
A little more. I'll show you it. Don't worry, my sister doesn't know how to do this.
Yeah, and it's hard because of that thing.
Maybe add a scoop of this. And now it's done.
Now do we whisk?
And now next we add sugar. Next we're going to add sugar. I kept it in a bowl.
Yeah.
So only, I guess I'll add a half a scoop, like 1.5 scoop. And then, now my sister is going to whisk it. She's good in it. Now we're going to add the oats that we just done in the microwave into the pancakes that we put in it. Yeah.
Now we're going to whisk it.
Well, that would be okay.
Because anyway,
Now we're going to add 1 bowl of flour.
it's not a bowl, it's a plate.
Okay, now we're going to stir it up.
That's a lot, actually.
Okay, I got some, but it's okay.
It looks like snow.
That's looking like snow to me.
Not some.
Now we're gonna add some milk. Make sure it's like in a nice jug. Now I'm going to mix it. Mix it all perfectly.
Then it should be. And,
Now-
and at the end, it's going to be like a light yellow.
And now my sister's turn to this. She likes to do this.
Why? Tell me why in the comments and search it up on Google. Why is it called whisk? And not stir.
Now it's a perfect pancake batter. Tomorrow in England, it's going to be National Pancake Day.
He done it in English, like British
In
English.
English.
My mom is baking the pancakes. At the time, I was looking at my Afno sticky roll bracelet. And now, and after the pancake, we're gonna add these strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and we're gonna also add this syrup, original syrup.
Now the pancakes are ready. Now we're going to add the syrup.
It tastes much better with a lot. Make a lot of mine.
And it will be too much.
Okay, that much. That looks professional on mine.
And now we're gonna. Now we can decorate. You can decorate anything.
You also do it at the sides. I don't like having it on top, so I'll just put it on the side. Let's mash berries.
Maybe like a kind of a star.
And I think I'll add blueberries. Yeah, you can take this.
No. Oh yeah. I decorated mine.
And now I take a lot of blueberries.
Oh, I need blueberries.
I like blueberries.
Now we could spread the butter only if you want butter on it. Yes, you may. Just
Can I borrow some?
take it.
Thank you.
Oh.
I didn't get that much.
I like the butter.
So now I'm gonna taste the pancakes. I hope it tastes yummy. Put it in the syrup. It is so delicious. You have to try it.
I'm not tasting anything.
You have no syrup.
The pancakes are 10 out of 10. Like not saying anything. Well, it's 10 out of 10. Bye bye. I'm leaving this.
Like and subscribe. And you have to try these pancakes out. It's so tasty.
Oh.
And you have to like and subscribe. Bye.